Hey guys, Matt here from MJ Harris Group. Welcome to Victoria Avenue. The design brief for this bathroom was to fully eliminate the bath, which is a rare occurrence. By doing so, we're able to relocate the shower to the back of the bathroom, creating a much bigger space, and also incorporate a custom vanity with dual basins. We've had our custom vanity go in, bench top's just gone in, custom recessed shaving cabinets, and we're actually matching the internal joinery colour with the external, which is going to give a nice sophisticated finish. Moving across here, we've got our shower, nice ledge all the way through, and we've replaced this window in its existing location, allowing a little bit more light to enter the space as well. So the main feature of this bathroom has got to be this mint green tile, and it took our expert tilers about 3 weeks to ensure that all these grout lines, all the full tiles, all the corners all met up, and they've done a fantastic job. The main design choice for this bathroom centered around the tile selection, which we have used throughout the whole space. So on all the floors, all the walls, we have selected a quite small 45 by 45 millimeter mosaic tile. We've opted for a sagey green, so nice and soft, nice and delicate, which really creates an ambience when you walk into the room. Incorporating timber elements was also a key feature of the design brief. It was very important to carry these through because they're existing in the current spaces throughout the house. And so we've done that through an oak vanity and shaving cabinets. To ensure the space didn't feel too rigid, square or angular, we've incorporated some soft curvature to the space through the use of concrete basins. We've used round wall lights, and we've finished everything off with a nice gentle curve on our shower screen. There are a few hidden features in this bathroom design, that being under tile heating and also dimmable ceiling lights, which really create a nice calming atmosphere. There's a common myth that colour in interior spaces needs to be bold. This bathroom is a perfect example of how we can incorporate colour without it dominating the space.